Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix USB ports not working in Windows 10 and Windows 11. So let's get started. First, go to the Start button and click on it. In the search bar, type Device Manager and then click on it to open. Once Device Manager opens, you'll see a list of different hardware options. Scroll down and find Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Now click on it to expand the list. Here, you will see multiple USB-related drivers. Look for something like Intel or USB 3.0 Extensible Host Controller or similar. Right-click on it and then click on Properties. A new window will open. Now go to the Power Management tab at the top. Here, you will see an option that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this option. After unchecking it, click on OK. After doing this, restart your computer and check your USB ports again. Your problem should be fixed. So that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give a thumbs up, then subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates.